Welcome to the Season 1 finale of Sandeep Talks Real Estate. Over the course of Season 1, it was geared towards the first-time homebuyer as I explained the steps to buy your first property and to deal with multiple offer situations as a buyer and a seller. Now, to wrap up Season 1, I'm going to close it off with the 5 maintenance skills all homeowners should know. Because by now, chances are you've purchased your first home, battled through the bidding wars, and are now comfortably sitting at home basking in your glory. So sit back, because what we're talking right now is maintenance tips. There's no landlord or building superintendent to ask for help now. As a homeowner, you better be prepared to how to handle these basic home problems before shelling out for professional help. Starting with number 1, changing the HVAC filters. Change your HVAC filters quarterly to keep your system running smoothly and to cut your energy bills. Number 2, cutting the water supply. Find and tag that shutoff valve when you first move in. When the time comes, turn that handle 90 degrees. Number 3, unclogging a drain. A chemical drain cleaner may work, but you can also use a drain snake to manually remove that clog. Number 4, resetting a circuit breaker. To reset a breaker, open up the panel cover and find the breaker that's been switched off to the off position. Simply switch it back on. Number 5, cleaning your gutters. When gutters are not cleared of debris, water can get trapped and seep into your home, costing you thousands. And there are your 5 basic home maintenance tips for any new homeowner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the ride of Season 1 of Sandeep Talks Real Estate. Definitely there'll be a Season 2 coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. I had a blast making these videos for you guys, and as always, thank you for the support throughout Season 1. Be sure to like my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and keep a close eye on me on social media as I am very active in posting educational tips. So, as always guys, thank you so much for the support, and I will see you next time.